girls, welcome back to my channel. It's Whit here again with another video. So today I'm going to be reviewing the new Dedesignature her Skewer bundle. Now I did receive this in PR back in like August and I'm just not getting around to doing a video, but the video is getting done, okay? I already took everything out the package and I have all 4 of the palettes here. Before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow your girl on Instagram if you're not yet following me. And yeah, let's jump into this. So Dedesignature dropped 4 new palettes and they're each, is it 5 or 6 pants? Yeah, they're each 6 shades in each palette. So this right here is the Caramel Skewer. And then this one right here is the Exotic Skewer and it looks like this. And this is one of the palettes that I'm gonna be using for my look today. And then we have the Juicy Skewer, which looks like this. This is like a nice red pink. I love that like yellow in there. It's a really pretty palette. And then we have the Tropical Skewer, which looks like this. This is more like, you know, orange, bluish, like that nice black in there. I love when a palette has a black. So for the look that I want to do today, I want to use this palette, the Caramel Skewer and the Exotic. Yeah, so I want to primarily use these 2 palettes for the look that I have in mind. So let's go ahead and start priming the eyes. I'm going to be using my Makeup Revolution eyeshadow base. Actually, let me clip this out of the way because I need to focus. So I'm going to be priming my eyes with this primer. All right, eyes have been primed. And how did I want to? Yeah, no, okay. I'm gonna first take. Yeah, okay, that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so I'm first gonna take this Caramel Skewer palette, and I need that brush. Where's that brush that I like to use? Yeah, so I'm taking this Morphe M441, and I'm gonna first go into this shade right here. This is called Blueberry. And I'm going to place this all over my eye. Let's see how this blue performs. I actually thought this blue was gonna just be a little bit darker. Like it's dark, but like I thought it was gonna be like more of like a blackened blue. Do you guys have any plans for the holidays? Like any Halloween plans, Thanksgiving plans, Christmas plans? Anybody doing any traveling? I'm gonna be staying right here in the state of Texas. I don't have any concrete plans, really. I mean, just kind of like, you know, enjoy the holiday season. Just be with, you know, family and friends and just enjoy. I'm really looking forward to the holiday season this year because last year was a little sad for me. I told you guys in my video like last year, you know, I had a friend that passed away in December. And so kind of just, you know, Christmas was just depressing. I was like, I'm over this. 2020, I'm over you. Like, I'm just ready for a new year. And 2021 has been relatively really good. Like, school is going really well for me. I'm doing well. Everyone in my life is okay. They're healthy. They're, you know, doing well. So that really makes me happy. Okay. Actually, when you pack it on, it's pretty deep. Okay. I like this. So now I'm gonna go right back into that palette and I'm gonna go into this shade right here called Avocado, which matches my shirt. And I'm gonna blend out this shade here. Have you guys had the chance to try out that new hottie sauce that Megan Thee Stallion collaborated with Popeyes with? I tried it yesterday when it released and let me just say, it's good. Okay, it's really good. It really tastes like Polynesian sauce from Chick-fil-A mixed with hot sauce. That's like literally the best way to explain it. And I really like it and I hope it's a permanent thing. Cause I know she is now a franchise owner. So I'm assuming if the franchise is a little more of a longer term relationship because I actually really like that hottie sauce. Not just because I'm a Megan fan. That blended out nicely. Now I'm gonna take another brush with no product on it and I'm going to blend this out. Because like I said, I like for my eyeshadow to look very diffuse. I don't like for it to look like you can see the start and stop of it. And that's why I do all this extra blending because I really want it blown out. I want to take the same brush, and I want to go back into that blueberry shade that I just placed down, because I really want this to be like, no. I was thinking about like taking a little bit of the black in the other palette and like mixing it, but I want this to be very much so blue for what I have envisioned for this look. So I'm just gonna pack a little bit more on. I like that. I am content with the way that looks. Now I'm going to go in and cut my crease. Okay, I'm gonna go in and cut my crease. I'm doing an all matte look today. Like, that's literally what I have envisioned in my head. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is go into the Exotic Skewer palette, and I'm gonna go into this shade right here. This is called Moonball Grapes. This is really pretty like lime green color. Taking this Morphe M433, and I'm gonna pack this all over my lid. Okay, so that has been put on. I actually really like that a lot. And I'm gonna go back into that blueberry shade, the original color, and I'm taking this brush here. No. So now I'm gonna go back into that blueberry shade, the first deep blue, and I'm just going to blend this to kind of like marry the colors a little bit better together here. Okay, and then taking a different, where's that brush at? Yeah, here we go. Then taking this more thinner pencil brush, it's going into the same blueberry shade again. I'm just going to go here to kind of like make it a little more prominent, like that cut of the crease. Okay, so as per usual, I'm gonna go ahead and go off camera. I'm gonna do the rest of my face, and then I'll be back to give you guys my final thoughts on these palettes. All right, you guys, so this is the completed look. For my bottom eyeshadow, I took that blueberry shade and smudged it down below, and then I actually went into the, I think it's this one, yeah, the Tropical Skewer palette, and I just took that black as well and just kind of like re-emphasized it. Okay, so let's talk about these palettes. So each of them retails for $21. You do get 6 shades in here, and then you can also get the bundle of all 4 for $71. Let me make sure I'm correct on that. Yes, you can get all 4 of these for $71. I also do have a discount code with them. Ask Whitney will save you some money off of the entire brand. So, I mean, overall, these palettes are nice. I really do like Dedesignature. I love her eyeshadow formula. Love the brand owner. She's very sweet. I feel like the shadows are cute. I really love the way like the eye look that I did came out. I love that I did like a nice all matte eye. I like these palettes a lot. I feel like they're really cute. I like the you know, because you know, Dedesignature is known for like fruit, so I like how she kind of like, you know, still kind of stuck with the theme, but I like how it's none of like, you know, the oddly shaped palettes. I know brands trying to be creative, but I actually just feel like they're hard to store. So I like the route that they're going in, like where you're still being able to see like the whole theme behind the brand, but like it's packaging that can easily be stored. So with these palettes, I feel like for the most part, all of the palettes are kind of cohesive, minus, I want to say minus the caramel one. Like, and it's more so just kind of like looking at it like off the bat, but like these colors do blend well into each other. But I don't know, sometimes like when you kind of look at palettes and the color stories initially, they don't click in your mind, or the colors click in your mind, like how to pair them, it can look a little odd, and it's almost like a little difficult to come up with a look. But yeah, that's it. Yeah, I don't really have much to say about these. I like palettes a lot. I feel like they're really pretty. I didn't use any shimmers, but I did swatch them. Let me show you guys some of the shimmer swatch. Let me even show you guys that, because these shimmers are cute. Let me just, you know, grab a couple. Let's do this one. So these are these shimmers. I'm just gonna go ahead and put them on the back of my hand. Oh! Do y'all see that? Look! So that green right there, because that's one that popped out to me. That one is from the Exotic Skewer palette. Ooh, that's this shade right here. And then this Chico, is that Chico? Yeah, that Chico shade right here is like a nice duochrome, and that's this shade right here. No, sorry, wait. Yes, that's this shade right here. So anyways, comment down below if you plan on picking any of these palettes up. Have you ever tried anything from the brand Dedesignature? You know, let me know down below. But yeah, don't forget to like the video if you have not already liked it. Don't forget to subscribe as well. And until next time, I'll talk to you beauties later. Bye.